क्या आप मुंबई के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्राइम लोकेशन में घर ढूंढ रहे हैं तो हीरानंदानी का नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा। और इसी टाउनशिप में अब आ रहा है एक नया प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज नेम्ड एज रॉक साइड व्हिच इज लोकेटेड राइट इनसाइड द टाउनशिप। तो ये मौका बिल्कुल मिस मत कीजिए एक प्रीमियम लोकेशन में मुंबई में अपना घर बुक करने का। एज यू कैन सी आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट द एक्चुअल लोकेशन, राइट बिहाइंड मी इज द सेल्स ऑफिस and here check out the neighborhood, the entire township of Hiranandani. Right there is the main road and आज हम करने वाले हैं project overview ये entire project का। In this video we are going to be discussing about the following points including project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Now talking about project overview, so this project is made on a land parcel of 0.8 acres with single towers and 2 wings with 3 basement, ground plus 14 residential floors with configuration of only 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Powai, Hiranandani. Right here leads you to JVLR. With Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 15 minutes, JVLR at a distance of just 5 minutes, upcoming metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has all necessary amenities that we need today to live, which include swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, sitting area and many more. If you're planning to buy a home in Mumbai, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights of Home Buyers की series ज़रूर देखें. Many home buyers don't even know their actual rights. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने एक बिल्डर को टोकन अमाउंट दिया है एंड आपने एंड मोमेंट पे डिसाइड किया कि अभी आपको कैंसिल करनी है अपनी बुकिंग, तो लीगली एक बिल्डर कितना पैसा डिडक्ट कर सकता है ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सेकेंडली, अगर पोजेशन के बाद कंस्ट्रक्शन में लीकेज या कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड इशू आता है तो आप बिल्डर के ऊपर क्या लाइबिलिटी डाल सकते हैं, ये सब जानना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो एज अ होम बायर आपकी लीगल राइट्स क्या हैं, ये सारे पॉइंट्स हमने बहुत ईजी और सिंपल लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है। सो बिफोर बाइंग योर न्यू होम प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस सीरीज। यू विल फाइंड द लिंक टू दिस सीरीज in the I button or the description given below. Talking about carpet area, this project has only one configuration, that is 4 BHK, where the carpet area ranges from 1800 to 2100 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat if available. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI schemes. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount for this very amazing project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Hiranandani Rockside by Hiranandani Group located in Powai. To get more information about this very amazing property, don't forget to download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.